Good morning, one and all. Good morning, students. Incoming senior NSPARK assignment, subject physics. Topic is motion in magnetic fields and motion in combined electric and magnetic field. The first question is, an electron and proton enter in a magnetic field. An electron and proton enter a magnetic field, enter in a magnetic field. Magnetic. The first question is, an electron and proton enter in a magnetic field with equal velocity. With equal velocities. With equal velocities. The particle that experience more forces, particle that experience more forces. So here, electron and proton enter in a magnetic field. Force formula, F bar equal to Q into B bar cross B bar. Here magnetic field is same, velocity is also same. Q is electron and proton. So charge of the electron and proton also same. Charge of the electron and proton also same. So each one experience same force. That means both experience same force. This is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Second problem. An electron of mass m. An electron of mass m is accelerated through a. Is accelerated through a. Potential difference V. Potential difference V. And then it enters a magnetic field. And then it enters a magnetic field. Enters a magnetic field of induction B. Enter in a magnetic field of induction B. Now to the lines of force. Normal to lines of force. Then the radius of the circular path is. Then radius of circular path is. So here potential difference is V, electron mass is m. So kinetic energy is equal to, kinetic energy of electron is equal to of m v square is equal to p square by 2m, that is equal to electron charge into number of volts. So in this one, the magnetic field normal to the lines of force, it enters into the magnetic field. So radius of curvature, we know the formula mv by bq. So it is P by BE because of electron charge. So here P equal to root over 2MeV, capital V, potential difference by BE. So final answer we got root over 2M capital B EB square. बैक पे टच का कैमरा देना. A proton takes 10 power minus 12 seconds to complete one revolution in uniform magnetic field. In uniform magnetic field that taken in another orbit of double time taken in another orbit of radius of double radius in the same field is time period how much? Here already we know the time period formula 2 pi m by bq. So it is independent on radius of the orbit. So time period is same. So it is independent on radius of orbit. So same answer. So time period is equal to 10 minus 12 seconds. Same time period, independent on radius of the orbit. Next problem. Fourth one. A proton moving with velocity of velocity of 6 I cap plus 8 j cap into 10 power 5 meter per second. Enter magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field of induction 5 into 10 power minus 3 k cap Tesla. Units are Tesla. The magnitude of forces. You know the F bar is equal to Q into V bar cross B bar. So already this is the proton charge G is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. V bar is 6 I cap plus 8 j cap cross B bar. B bar means 5 k cap. So into 10 square. So it is 5 into 1.6, 8 into 10 power minus 17. So here I cap cross k cap minus j cap minus 6 j cap plus j cross k I. So 8 I cap. So magnitude of this one is, so modulus of F bar equal to 8 into 10 power minus 17. For this vector magnitude is 10. So 8 into 10 power minus 16 Newton. Next problem is, a proton enters a magnetic field. A proton enters a magnetic field with velocity 2.5 into 10 power 7 meter per second, making an angle 30 degrees with the field. 30 degrees with the field. Force on the proton is here, since B is given 25 Tesla. Now force equal to QVB sin theta. So here Q means proton charge 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. B means 2.5 into 10 to the power of 7. B means 25. Sin 30, angle is sin 30. So 1 by 2. So here we got the answer 5 into 10 power minus 11 Newton. Next problem. Sixth one. Proton and alpha particle. Proton and alpha particle. Enter into a uniform magnetic field. With same velocity, speeds are same. The period of revolution of alpha particle, period of revolution of alpha particle compared to proton. So time period equal to here 2 pi m by bq. So T proportional to m, inversely proportional to q. So T alpha particle by proton equal to m alpha particle by m proton, and inversely proportional to q proton by q alpha. So m alpha is 4, m proton is 1, q proton is 1, q alpha is 2. So 2 is to 1. Next problem. Seventh one. A proton moving with velocity v. Velocity v is acted upon by electric field and magnetic field. Electric field and magnetic field. B, electric field E and magnetic field B. Okay, the proton will move undeflected. The proton will move undeflected if only in case of, that is the problem. So suppose proton moves like this, electric force acting like this, and perpendicular to B bar acting like this. So electrostatic force acting like this, magnetic force acting like this downwards, magnetic force according to Fleming left hand rule. So Fe equal to Fm. In this case only it is moving undeflected path. Undeflected path. So E, V, B are mutual perpendicularly. Mutually perpendicular. Mutually. This is the V bar. E bar and B bar like this along Z axis. Mutually perpendicularly. And these two are equal to, so QE equal to QVB. So B equal to E by B also. This is the correct option. E, V, B are mutually perpendicular and velocity equal to E by B. Next problem, 8th one. A particle charge is 16 into 10 power minus 18 coulombs. Moving with velocity 10 meter per second along x-axis. 10 meter per second along x-axis. Enters a region of where magnetic field along y-axis, and electric field 10 volt per meter along z-axis. Okay, if the charge continues moving, if charged particle continues moves along x-axis, then magnitude of V bar is, magnitude of V is. So they are three are mutually perpendicular, y-axis, z-axis and x-axis. So velocity formula is E by B with undeflected path. So already V value we know, E value already, electric field is 10 by B. So B equal to 1 Tesla. Next problem. Ninth one. A proton, neutron, and alpha particle. Proton, neutron, and alpha particle accelerated through the same potential difference. And then they are entering, enter a normal uniform magnetic field. The ratio of kinetic energies will be ratio of kinetic energies will be. So here kinetic energy equal to half mv square is equal to q into v. Same potential difference, and kinetic energy is ratio. So Ke proportional to Q. So here Ke proton is to Ke deuteron is to Ke alpha particle. So Ke proton, Ke deuteron, and Ke alpha particle. So charge of these three, 1:2. Next problem. Two electrons move parallel to each other. Two electrons move parallel to each other with equal speed v. With equal speed v. The ratio of magnetic and electric force. Ratio of magnetic and electric force between them is. So two electrons E and E moves with same speed. So electric force is 1/4πε0. Q1 Q2 means E square by some distance is taken R square. Now according to Fleming left hand rule, some magnetic field according to Ampere's law or anything, the magnetic field is acting on this charge. So that magnetic field B is equal to mu0/4π into Q1 or EV1 by R square. Now the magnetic force is equal to magnetic force according to QVB, that is EVB. So apply here. So mu0/4π into E square V square by R. Now he asked about magnetic and electric force ratio. So Fm/Fe is equal to Fm/Fe equal to. So simply mu0 into V square. But mu0 is 1/c square. So 1/c square. Here applied simply Fleming left hand rule. Here B is only directly formula. Okay.